Detox your body with these health-related spring cleaning tips. Spring is in the air, and while it's natural to think of overhauling your home or office, you might want to consider giving your body a tune-up as well by detoxing, a process that is rooted in many traditional health practices such as Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Consult your healthcare provider before undergoing any type of detox. However, data suggest that most individuals without chronic medical conditions can withstand a simple detox, and the simplest of plans is to drink more water. Consistently drinking water each day can help rid your body of toxins even if you do nothing else. Without water, no living thing can survive, emphasizes Robert Eacle, CEO of Alchem Water. Water affects every area of our life and is an essential part to maintaining proper health. These tips should also help you plan your detox. Ditch the dewars and other booze. Alcohol acts as a toxin in the body and can promote dehydration. Reducing or eliminating alcohol increases your opportunity to drink more water. Cut down on caffeine. Coffee, soda and the like are diuretics and can have a toxic effect on the body by depleting it of water and, like alcohol, cause dehydration. Curb the caffeine and replace it with water, especially enhanced, alkaline, ionized water, which has been shown to promote energy and overall health by allowing the body to absorb water more quickly. Track your water intake. Most people don't pay attention to how much water they drink daily, which usually isn't enough. Aim for 2 quarts or 8 8-ounce glasses every day.